Side trend indicator will provide buy and sell automated signal. When they are reversal in color, trend are formed in the reversal direction. In this video, we are going to use this AI trend indicator to automate our trading strategy. Let's start. If you are finding a Forex trading broker platform, you can try out XM Forex trading platform. Discover the regulated and safe XM Forex trading platform. Enjoy a secure trading experience with great features, including a sign-in bonus. Get sign-up bonus using my link in description and start your journey. Let's start trading. First, open up the AI signal indicator in TradingView. Search for AI trend indicator by K-Neighbor. After that, the indicator will be on your TradingView chart. Change the setting. If you are trading a more shorter time frame trading, you can lower down the value of smoothing period to 20, 30, so that the chart will be more sensitive based on your trading strategy. After that, you can start to plan for your trade. First, find a good position to start to plan for your trade. Make sure the risk-reward ratio is at an acceptable area to plan any trade. You can use another indicator also to support for your trading plan. I personally will use MACD histogram to support my trading strategy. When two indicators provide two confirmation, only we start to plan for suitable trading strategy with acceptable risk-reward ratio. When planning any trade, make sure that cut loss and take profit area is planned beforehand, so that you can execute your trading strategy based on risk-reward ratio. For example, at this area, when we see red to green reversal from AI trend signal, means that the bullish momentum in the chart started to form. Besides, if MACD histogram area also found similar reversal indicator, this means that we can start to plan for our position. We can use risk-reward ratio to plan for our stop loss and take profit area. Make sure that the risk-reward is more than 1, so that it will be a more profitable trade. So, basically this is how you can use this indicator to plan for your trade. You can try out this indicator and backtest paper trade it before you start for any trading position.